What's up, YouTube? Got a package in the mail today. Part of the Odyssey. I got a couple of packages actually. See what we got here. Alright, hopefully this fits. Got my socket for my crank.
This box, Dada?
Yeah, Dada keeps boxes for sending other stuff. I think that's the right size. That's what I measured at least. I have to go find out.
Look, a bracelet.
That should help. Oh yeah? Alright, to the next one. Alright, here's the other one. We got our socket. And then this one is from, oh, okay, go ahead, pull it out. What do we got? Oh, okay, so we got our dust seals for the crankcase, both sides. That's what all these are. From Odd ATV. Show you their card in a second. What else is in there?
There's something big and strong.
Big and strong.
Yeah, big.
Alright. Yeah, we got crank bearings.
There's something else. There's two stuff left. And there is. Yeah, you're gonna be so confused with it. There's two things in there.
Yeah, let me have them.
Look.
What do we got? Alright. We got, this is the flywheel puller. I had one out where mine went.
There's one more. Dad, there's one more.
It's for two different sizes.
Dad, you're gonna be so confused.
I am. Confused.
Another one.
I was confused. Another one. Is that all that's in there?
Yes.
Okay. Alright, so we have both of our crank bearings here.
There's this. There. And
There we go, guys. And then that's where you go to get all this stuff right there.
Yeah.
One of the places you can go. I've ordered through them before and haven't had any issues. They send everything on time, and it actually arrived before the day it was supposed to, so. But here we go. This video soon for the rebuild, and I'll go out right now and see if the socket I ordered fits. If not, I'll have to order another one. So, be right back. Alright. Here's that stinky nut. Alright, here's my 41mm. So, go. Nice. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to use this adapter here. That's a 3/4 inch. I'm going to put this in here. Come on. Alright, here we go. Here we go. Sweet. Alright, look at that. Success. Counterbalance shaft. And glad I didn't order those bearings. Those still look good. I mean, these seals and everything still look good too. I might not need to use this on this engine. I might just clean this engine all up and everything and just put it back together if everything turns out alright. Because I mean, this engine, as you guys can see, it looks pretty damn clean on the inside. These bearings feel alright. Spin freely. So, I don't know. Just clean everything out of here. That's just tapping fluid. Do the modifications necessary and be done with it. Oh, that's how I stopped the engine from turning over on me when I was doing that. And this was supposed to be on here. It fell off. It's supposed to be on there. Fell off probably from the impact. Yep, just popsicle sticks. I shoved them in there. It doesn't damage the engine or anything like that. Won't hurt anything. Like wood better than plastic. So, yeah, this engine inside, everything that I've done so far was pretty clean on it. If the camera's good enough. The inside of the bore, it's pretty clean. I honestly could probably just run a honing ball on it. You can see some of the ports that need to be cleaned up. You can see casting flaws down there and everything, and how jaggedy the edges are on a lot of it. Right in there, it's a real jagged edge on this. I think that's the exhaust bridge. Yeah, it's the exhaust bridge on that side. So I mean, there's some improvement. I might send this out to a methyl fabricator or somebody along those lines. Give a shout out to him for his great work. But yeah, that's how we're looking right now. This thing could use some cleaning up a little. Not too much though, but see all them casting flaws everywhere in this engine. All over in there, so you can smooth all that stuff out, and you can gain this engine. I can gain a lot out of. If they tested this on for its power output, and it tested it within their specifications, and I can clean this thing up, shoot, there's a lot to do there. Both these are stuck on there, that's right. Studs are stuck. Forgot to soak them. So many rough edges on this thing, it's just, I can't explain. Right there, that's a good one there. Show you. I mean, they could have put a little effort into cleaning this thing up. You guys see all this is everything's uneven. Alright, but there you guys go. Got some stuff in the mail today. I'm happy about it. Clutch that you guys watch me in another video pop off. Yep. Probably throw all this back on there. I got to take my other engine off my buggy and see why it isn't running. I never tried to fire this engine. I just seen the head was off of it when I got it. Or is that what it was? I think so. Something like that. Or the carburetor was off, one or the other. So I knew there was stuff down inside there. There was some sand in there, and it's been spun over a couple times, but I think there's nothing a honing ball can't fix. The piston isn't in that bad a shape. Hang on one sec, I'll grab that. Alright. Here's the piston. It's kind of rough. I don't think the skirting really matters. The rings and everything were good on it. What do you guys think? Think that piston will still survive? It's in pretty good shape. No damage to the top at all, it's just dirty. And the rings are like immaculate. It's like no damage at all. Oh, I don't know. It's the original ART, original bore. Might step it up one, but I don't want to if I don't have to. Pretty sure that's exhaust bridge rub right there. I don't know. I might just replace it so I can actually feel that flat spot on that one. Also the other ones I can't really feel. I can feel like the grooves, but I don't know, guys. Figure it out. But until next time, please like, subscribe, share, comment. Alright, peace.